Hi guys, in recently I thought about conventional musical keyboards. They all are making with pressing keys. So can we make it with any other method? What happens if we use touch keys instead of pressing keys? So let's see what happens. First I designed a simple touch sensitive circuit using A733 NPN transistor. Its function is when we touch the touch plate, the output go to high. Let's check its function using oscilloscope. After building the circuit, when I touch the touch plate, it seems like output have a ripple. So I connected the capacitor between output to reduce the ripple. So first part is done. As a second part, I had wanted to make a sound generator. So I choose Arduino Uno to do that. I use digital pin 7 as sound output. Then use D400 NPN transistor to amplify output. So second part is done. Let's write the code to generate sounds. So I set digital pin 7 as output. This is a simple square wave generating code. By changing delay time, we can produce any frequency. This is a formula that I use to calculate half period time of notes. So I upload the code to Arduino. As I thought, this code worked perfectly. Let's combine touch circuit and audio generator. This is the circuit I designed finally. In this circuit, I used digital pin 13 as our audio output. Then use digital pin 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 7 and 8 as our touch inputs. In this circuit, we have 7 Arduino inputs for 7 notes. Therefore, we should make another 6 touch circuits to give that. As a test, I connect one touch circuit for Arduino input. So circuit is finished. Then let's write a new code to test our touch inputs and organ sounds. In this code, I set digital pin 8 as input and digital pin 13 as sound output. Then write a simple code using if command. If digital pin 8 is high, then Arduino board give a square wave output. Let's upload new program to circuit. It works perfectly. Now let's build whole circuit. First we need to cut copper sheet into 7 keys. Also we need 2 rails for positive line and negative line. Then let's stick copper pieces into cardboard. After finished, it's look like this. Let's solder parts into board. Let's make our first touch circuit. In this circuit, a 733 transistor's emitter is connected to positive rail. Then base is connected to touch key. Also, collector is connected to middle rail. Then 100 kilo ohm resistor is connected between positive rail and touch key. Then 333 milliamp capacitor is connected between transistor's collector rail and negative rail. Also 1 mega ohm resistor is connected between transistor's collector rail and negative rail. this is the complete circuit. As first touch circuit, we need to solder other 6 touch circuits. Then connected jumper wires to every A733 transistors collector pins. Those are our touch outputs. Red and black wire are connected to power up the circuit. In left corner, D400 transistor is attached as sound amplifier. So let's update previous Arduino code. In this code, only thing I did is copy and paste the if clause and then change the delay time with respect to nodes. Important thing is we should add half period time of nodes as our delay times. So all is done. Let's connect our Arduino board to circuit. This is my final circuit. I connected output of not A into Arduino input 2. Then output of not B into Arduino input 3. Then output of not C into Arduino input 4. Likewise, I connected all output of nodes into my Arduino inputs. Those black and red wire provides power to circuit. So I connected my ground wire into Arduino ground. Then connected my sound input to Arduino digital pin 13. This is my speaker wire. I connected it to my 5V output of Arduino. Then connected my 5V supply wire. So circuit is done. Let's check it. I think it worked perfectly. Thank you for watching.